Hello world, welcome to RED for Fitness and my name is Abhinav Tonk, and in today's video I am going to discuss about the household item which you can consume daily to build your immunity naturally. So these household items are natural antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal. So let's see in these items which compound basically shows these properties, and I am also going to share in which particular way you can consume these items. So the first item is garlic. So garlic is a very potent natural antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial item. In olden days, garlic was used as a natural antibiotic, and it was also known as Russian penicillin during the World War II. So during the World War II, when Russia went out of penicillin, then Russian government used garlic as a substitute of penicillin to cure and treat its soldiers. And since then, garlic was known as Russian penicillin. So the main compound in garlic is allicin. So allicin is a sulfur based compound which is basically antiviral and antibacterial. If you consume garlic on regular basis, it will basically build your immunity over the time, and it will prepare your body to fight against the viral infection and bacterial infections. The best way to consume garlic is in its raw form. When you crush raw garlic, then after a few minutes allicin is formed, and if you consume garlic by crushing it in its raw form, then it will be most beneficial to you. So you can take 1 or 2 cloves and then cut into small pieces and crush it, and then add some honey in it and directly consume. By the way, garlic is also used to lower your bad cholesterol, that is LDL, and it also increases your good cholesterol, that is HDL. Now the second item which I am talking here is ginger. So ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory item and an antioxidant. And the main compound in ginger which shows these anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property is gingerol. Ginger is very helpful in sore throats as well. So when you have sore throat, then in that case you can put a small piece of ginger, sprinkle some salt and black pepper on it, and put it in your mouth for around an hour. By doing so, you can find some relief in your sore throat. So there are many other ways to consume ginger. You can shred raw ginger and eat it daily with your salad, or you can add ginger in your daily hot beverages like tea. You can make ginger tea and you can consume this tea on regular basis. Next item is oregano. Oregano is a herb which is basically used in Italian cuisine, and the main compound in oregano is carvicrol. So carvicrol is the compound in oregano which shows powerful antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can directly consume oregano by sprinkling it over your salad or over your curries or sabjis which you eat on daily basis. Next item is turmeric. Turmeric also belongs to ginger family, and the main compound in turmeric is curcumin. So curcumin exhibits a powerful antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory properties. So the best way to consume turmeric on daily basis is to boil it with milk and then drink it just before going to bed. So this milk is also known as golden milk. So you can boil 1/4 to half tablespoon of turmeric along with milk and let the milk boil till the milk converts into bright yellow color. This is known as golden milk, and you can consume this golden milk just before going to bed every night. And just remember, you don't have to eat or drink anything after consuming this golden milk. Next item which I am talking here is holy basil or tulsi. Tulsi also exhibits powerful antiviral and antibacterial property. So the main compound in tulsi is apigenin and ursolic acid, which exhibits these antiviral and antibacterial properties. You can consume it by boiling few leaves of tulsi in water. Let the water boil till it becomes little greenish in color. You can also replace your daily drinking water with this tulsi water and make sure that you drink at least 1 liter of this tulsi water on daily basis. So these are the top 5 household items which you can consume on daily basis to build your immunity naturally. So in order to see some effect, you have to daily consume these items consistently for over a month or so. Thanks for watching this video. You can subscribe my channel RED for Fitness, and you can share this video. Take care and have a nice day.